Warning, you are now hurtling toward the shadowed dominion of Saturn. This time, we have prepared a specialized ship for you. The last pilot who ventured here has vanished into the void. Can you feel it? The weightlessness is suddenly beginning to fade. Your stomach is churning, and your heart hammers against your chest. Look through the porthole. Saturn is now appearing impossibly massive. Those rings are not a romantic photograph, but a lethal vortex. A grinding gyre of razor-edged crystalline blades, screaming in the airless void where sound itself has died. With every breath you take, you can hear your own heartbeat. The spacecraft begins to tremble, shaking with a violent force. Your hands grip the armrests, until your knuckles turn pale white. The radiation detectors have surged, far beyond their safety limits. You can feel the heat, radiating against your very skin. Within those orange clouds, a superstorm has raged for many decades. Danger, the engines have suffered a catastrophic system failure. You open the hatch, and leap out into the frozen abyss. The extreme cold of space instantly penetrates your protective suit. You begin to tumble, falling through the vast and empty vacuum. The ship explodes behind you, with a flash that vanishes instantly. In the oxygen-free void, fire cannot survive for even a moment. Saturn's gravitational maw snaps shut, dragging you into the lightless abyss. And then, you finally reach the edge of the rings. Countless blocks of ice, each larger than a car, rush toward you. A fragment strikes your arm, tearing a hole in your suit. The pressurized air escapes. As you spiral through the debris, you curl your body, weaving through the rain of frozen ice. Emerging from the rings, a massive orange sphere fills your vision. You plunge into the atmosphere. As the friction begins to rise, waves of intense heat surround you, turning your suit glowing red. You are engulfed by clouds, swirling in a dense and heavy mist. You continue to fall, descending further into the gas giant's depths. There is no solid ground here, only an endless sea of gas. The atmosphere thickens, as the pressure builds with every meter. Suddenly, the winds shift, with a terrifying and sudden force. A powerful gale strikes from the right, pushing you violently left. Then a counter current hits, gently guiding you back to the right. Two opposing forces of nature are now tearing at your soul. You spin like a leaf, caught between two massive atmospheric currents. Trapped in the middle, you can feel the incredible difference in speed. To your right, the gale shrieks with banshee fury, tearing at supersonic speeds. It is moving faster than 1,000 kilometers per single hour, while the wind on the left is as calm as a stroll. The churning orange veil suddenly tears open, unveiling a structure of impossible, godlike geometry, a perfect hexagon carved across the crown of the giant. You have reached the North Pole of the giant Saturn, a colossal hexagon stretching across the crown of the planet. Each side spans 20,000 kilometers, perfectly straight and true. As you drift into the edge, the sheer forces trap you. The winds at the center are spinning in a frantic rotation, like a gargantuan tornado that spans across the entire world. But here at the edge, the winds move much more slowly. This variation in speed causes your entire body to vibrate, like standing on the threshold between two passing high-speed trains. The turbulent airflow knocks you from one side to the other. You are pushed in a circle around the vast hexagonal boundary. You count the points where the currents clash most fiercely. 6 regions of impact, forming towering walls made of clouds. At each collision point, the fast and slow winds engage in battle. These 6 points connect to form a perfect geometric hexagon. In this moment, the secret of the planet becomes clear. Saturn rotates so quickly that a day lasts only 10 hours. This frantic spin flings the central atmosphere outward with power. But the outer edges lag behind, creating a massive wave pattern. You are now floating upon the peak of one of these waves, feeling the pull and push of two cosmic and eternal forces. It is like the spinning tops you played with as a child. When they spin fast enough, stable ripples appear along the edges. Saturn is a magnificent top, spinning in the dark of space. Its ripples have stabilized into this incredible 6-sided storm. Because the temperature and speed are perfect, the shape remains eternal. The atmospheric pressure rises, weighing down like a plate of iron. Your suit begins to warp, and the metal joints start to groan. Suddenly, the emergency thrusters ignite with a roar behind you. A powerful force drags you upward, through the thick layers of mist. Your vision blurs as the hexagon fades into the distant clouds. An alarm rings, breaking the silence. You open your eyes, safe within your bed. Morning sunlight streams through, warming the air around you. It was all a dream, a journey within the mind. But the hexagon is real, a wonder of the physical world. Far across the solar system, it spins at Saturn's North Pole. Humanity may not walk there yet, but we have reached it. We can understand its secrets, and marvel at its design. The universe is vast, and we are but a small part of it. Yet we never stop exploring. That is the greatest adventure.